Hello Alaska, Ben Linford here with Linford of Alaska Wholesale Foods, celebrating 50 years with the greatest hits tour of great Alaskan restaurants and recipes. Today we're at the Grape Tap with boss lady Kristen, and we're going to hear about her story and how to make the best spiced nuts ever. This space is amazing. Tell me about this space a little bit. I can feel the history.
This house is about 100 years old, built right around probably 1933, we think. It was a single family home for a long time.
It has an amazing feature, the cellar.
The previous owners, when they bought it to do the remodel for the restaurant, they actually went down there, had a conveyor belt out the door, and dug out about 2 to 3 feet. And so they made it a usable space. And then we had a local mason come in and do some beautiful rock work. They designed the wine room to look definitely more of like a European, Italian feel with the chandeliers.
Tell us a little bit more about these spice nuts. How are they made? What goes into them? That kind of thing.
4 different nuts. We have pecans, walnuts, cashews, and almonds.
There's the nuts, and then there's the magic spices.
While they're roasting, you're making the glaze for them. You're gonna start out with a lot of butter, a lot of brown sugar. You're also going to roast your cumin and your coriander for just a minute, just to make the spice bloom. And so you're not necessarily cooking the spice.
We're making sure we're not scorching any of our ingredients.
And then you're gonna add cayenne and rosemary. And then you're gonna let all that sit there while those nuts are roasting for like almost 10 minutes. And then when you have your last minute, you're gonna throw in some kosher salt, mix that in, and it's gonna be a perfect glaze.
Pre-order the Greatest Hits Cookbook now and bring Alaska's most iconic recipes into your home.